Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video I'm gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our application video for Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt for Automotive Production Engineering and AI. In the previous video, you already know we did the requirement analysis of Automotive Production Engineering Artificial Intelligence for TH Ingolstadt, and we got to know that it is a part-time course and it is only available for people who are already working, so that they can also do part-time masters, and people who are also from India can come here and use this as a part-time opportunity to study, and also they can also work with this student hours, so you can also play around and think around. But we also got to know that application deadline is open, we can apply, and the requirements also we got to know. Then we got the important information that we need to have VPD from Uni-Assist in order to apply for this particular course. That's the reason I thought I will divide everything now and segregate, so that you guys will get a clear picture what to do. We will go into Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt official website and check for this particular course and understand all the requirements that they have given in that website is clear. Then I will show you Uni-Assist, then apply for VPD in the second part. In the third part, I will show you how to register for premise, then how to apply there. So this will be 3-part series. So in first part I will show you how to do the requirements again in TH Ingolstadt, then register for premises at the end of first part. Second part I will show you how to apply for VPD, then in third part we will finish the application in premises. So before we start here, if you are new to this channel, don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about usually German requirement analysis of all German colleges, whichever you can learn, and where and all you can get your degree, what are the qualification, what are the courses that they offer, and in order to get into that particular course, what are the requirements that you need to have. After having all these requirements analyzed and having all this noted down in our Excel sheet, we also check for application deadline and where to apply. Then we will also make an application video on that particular college. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me via email or become my YouTube member, where I will help you to apply, or I will only apply. Then we can also have one-on-one session with you guys. Now, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. And this is the official TH Ingolstadt website, where you can see studies, research facilities everywhere. So you can click on studies. Once you clicked on studies, you can click on degree programs. So these are the degree programs that are offering in TH Ingolstadt. So here you can just check for all particular courses that are there for summer semester and winter semester. So here it is, degree program in executive education. So here are the courses that are there, where you can also have an option of engineering, part-time and full-time, like that. So Automotive Production Engineering Artificial Intelligence English. So this is the course which we did as last time or last video, where we talked about requirement analysis in that. And now we will go through the official web page of TH Ingolstadt, where they talk about Automotive Production Engineering, and we will also get to know if the information in that was correct, legible, and here whatever they have written is the final one. So in that they might also make an error. That's the reason I always also talk here, so that you will get a complete a picture. Automotive Production Engineering and AI degree program provides a comprehensive specialist program in production of artificial intelligence. 2 key skills for a successful career in automotive industry. If you want, then you need to have a production engineering and also AI. That's the reason this course is specialized and created for you. So the degree is Master of Engineering. It's 4-semester course depending on accreditation of gained competencies. Semester start is both in summer and winter. Language is English. Student or study program fees is pre-semester. For per semester it will be 3,000 euros up to, and 72 euros is a student fees. So total it will be 3,100. Location online and TH Ingolstadt. You can also be in online, take all courses in online, no need to attend. But if you want a person who want to attend, then you can also attend, and you also have an opportunity to meet the professor and also get to know everyone. Admission and application. So the first thing is curriculum. So we already talked about the curriculum. In the curriculum we also got to know that in first semester you will have your credit transfer. Based on, they will assess your work experience, your bachelor degree, and say okay, this much of credit can be transferred. In second semester you will do modern manufacturing technologies, data science, AI, scientific seminar, and in third semester digital factory, digital engineering, production system, plant design, data science, AI and everything. In fourth semester you will also do automation equipment, data engineering, database engineering, process in automotive industry, etc. In last semester you will do your master thesis. But in order to do your master thesis, You have to be in college because you will be doing under a professor. If you're a person who is whose main job are doing in physical projects, then you need to be, of course, in the university to collect the data and other things. Then in order to get into this particular admission or this particular college, what are the things that you need to know? We already know you need to have a degree with at least 210 ECTS, with having business, computer science, mechanical, electrical, whichever the course. They will just check your degree, and based on that they will give you the admission. You need to have at least 2.5 or better grade, and proof of at least one relevant practical profession. You need to have at least 1 year of practical experience in order to apply for this particular course. If you are a fresher, then it is a little bit hard to get it, because you need to have an experience of at least 1 year. Then you need to have an English language proficiency of B2, which will be your IELTS 6 and above you need to have. Then target young professional. They have already told who live outside Germany but have a connection to Germany, who is working with a German company. They can apply. Who live in Germany specifically already working, but they want to pursue masters, then they can do. Who have affinity of technology, digitalization topic, and who have relevant qualification of 1 year, who has a working professional already have a experience. Then these are the things, these are the people who can apply. So after doing this degree, you will be always in the front in order to help in automotive world with the knowledge of production engineering and artificial intelligence knowledge. Now we got to know all information, and it is almost same, and we can click on apply online. So if you are a person who is applying for master course, it would be 2 types. If you are a person who is coming from outside EU or international applicants, then first you need to get a VPD from Uni-Assist. Then you have to come to Premise campus portal and apply for this particular course. So it is a 2-step procedure. One is VPD and then Premise. So as I told you, we will make 2 parts, so that we will go to Uni-Assist and apply for VPD. I'll show you how to apply for VPD. Then we come back after getting a VPD, we will upload in the application portal of Premises. And we already talked about for application for summer semester. If you are a person, then it will start from 15th November until 15th January, where you have applying deadline or applying period. So now we will go into Uni-Assist website for applying for a VPD for TH Ingolstadt for this particular course. In summer semester, you can click on Ingolstadt. So here you can just see Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt for the course master. So that is the course that we are doing. After that, you can click on search. So usually whenever you apply for VPD, so Ingolstadt will give master for alle Fascher. So this will be nothing but this is one particular VPD. If you apply for this VPD, you can use to apply for all courses in TH Ingolstadt. You just have to get this once for 1 semester, then you can apply for all subjects for that particular semester. So this is just a document for VPD. VPD is nothing but your Indian grade will be converted into German grade officially from Uni-Assist. That is your VPD. So I will show you how to apply. So you can click on show details, what are the things that you need to know, and you can click on add. Before adding, you need to have an account for Uni-Assist. If you don't know how to have an account, how to create an account, please click on create an account. Here you have to fill in your email address, password. Then after filling, you will get an email address or a confirmation email sent to your email, where you have to activate your Uni-Assist. After coming back to Uni-Assist, then you need to fill in your educational background, upload all documents, and set up your account. Then your account will be set. After that, you can click on, after that you can use your email address, password which you use. Then you can click on sign in. You will be in your account for Guide for German application. That is the account that we made. We will come here and apply for this particular VPD, which will be preliminary document which can be used across all courses in TH Ingolstadt. First semester, that is the course that we will be applying, because we are not applying for higher semester, because we are coming for the first semester and we are not changing inside Germany to any of the college. That's the reason we are doing like this. And here you can go into inbox and you can see the always the first application will be 75 euros. From second application it will be 30 euros. And we can remove it, what are the things that we have applied or showed, so that it will be only Ingolstadt alle Fascher for VPD. Then we can fill in all details and we can submit the VPD application in the first part. Then after getting a VPD, then we will go into Premise and finish the application. So hope you guys enjoyed the first part of application video, where we talked about the requirements again in TH Ingolstadt for that particular college, for that particular course, Automotive Production Engineering and Artificial Intelligence for part-time courses. Then at the end of the first part, I also showed you how to register for Uni-Assist and how to get the VPD from Uni-Assist, and we put it in inbox. In the second part of the video, I will just go through the how to fill in unanswered mandatory question for VPD and apply